Hi guys, today I'm doing a two-part video where I become a model. Obviously I'm not actually going to be a model, but I'm doing a Vogue Get Ready With Me right now, which is Kylie Jenner's. I don't know which one it is, I clicked on one and I just rode down the steps. So let's get into it. I look absolutely disgraceful, so yeah. Right, so first she starts with lip scrub. Bit weird of a first starting point, but okay. I've got this honeycomb lip balm, which is kind of like lip scrub. And I'm pretty sure she uses a hand for literally like all the steps. So it's gonna be fun. Anyway, she used these weird like little, I don't know what they are. Like these type of clips. So I bought some. Anyway, so we're gonna start with moisturizer and foundation put together. I'm probably gonna have to rub some of this into my neck because there's a lot. I've never done this, but for some reason it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna look. Well, it's definitely like took every single ounce of coverage off my foundation. I'm gonna look horrifying. Well, I don't think my moisturiser and foundation like each other because they're separating on my face. Got some concealer, if I can find it. Under eyes, chin, forehead and nose. And I have to blend it with a hand, of course. So I'm pretty sure she put it here. Yeah. There. And she did one like little sliver down her nose. And then she did one like right there. So I think she might have like a spot or something that she wanted to cover there. But I'm just gonna do it the exact same way she is, so I just want to pick up my beauty blender, right? Oh, this is so strange. I don't like the feeling of like, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, sorry, it's like, I don't know, I don't like this. It's so weird. Do you know what? I'm judging this. I might actually look, you know, I'm not even gonna go there. It might not look as bad as I think it's gonna look. Right. So right now my makeup is all separating from each other because of the foundation and moisturiser together. I think I might have heard her wrong with the foundation. I don't think she actually, I think she might be using like a foundation that you're meant to do that with. But the foundation I'm using, you know, right, okay, I'll be back because this is taking too long. Right, I don't look as bad as I thought I was gonna. Do you know what? I'm not even going there. Bronzer with a brush. Oh, finally, I'm using a brush. It's a liquid bronzer, and she used like this type of brush. So I'm gonna use this type of brush. So I've got this, and it's got contour in it, but it's also got a bronzer. So we're just gonna use that. What do you? I don't know. I'm not gonna. She's watching. Oh, why is it like a dot? Right, I'm here. Let's I'm not being so like, right, so you don't know where I am. Right. Next. Contour, nose, just powder with brush. Right. She kind of just like, I don't know how to explain what she did, if I can open it. She kind of just like slivered it along her nose, like kind of went like this. Okay, okay, I just look more there. Should I boil onto or whatever. Right. Next. Powder the sides of my nose with a light powder, right? Literally all she did was like that, I think. I'm not cheekbone. I don't believe this is doing very much. Do you know what? I'm judging this too quickly. I actually don't look as bad as I thought I was gonna. She used a balm brush, but I only have powder brush, so Oh well. Where did she? Oh, yeah, she was like, she was like, oh, I hate blush. Looks like the sun. I look like the sun. I look like I went to the sun. I physically left Earth and went on a little mission to the sun. Right. Little powder under eyes. What a great description, Katie. Little powder under eyes. That's what it like right last night. I just finished all the work and at the script the video the other day. I was upstairs scripting them and I was like, oh, sometimes like bed. I need to do it. Well, that's the I'm happy. I'm a big bright, so but it's not like I'm crying, so no judgment. I love what it said under eyes, and I completely forgot to tell you. It also says brush powder all over your face. Just lightly everywhere. Liquid brown eyeshadow. Do I actually have any of that? Right, I'm back after looking through all of my stuff. I don't have a single balm or liquid eyeshadow. But I'm going to use this palette. And I'm going to use that light brown there. And then the dark brown a little bit. And maybe a bit of that one. And you might just go over it, kind of. Do I even have, like, an eyeshadow? I don't wear eyeshadow. Eyeliner. You have got to be kidding me. It's really thin brush. It's the smaller version of the one I use for my eyebrows. I give up. Next one. She used concealer to go underneath it, but if I try to do that right now, it's going to fail miserably and I'm going to cry myself to sleep, so we're not doing that. Lip liner. Do I have brown lip liner? Yes, I do. It looks absolutely hideous, right? I look like I have bruised lips. Brow brush. I don't have a brow brush, right? I'm going to just brush it up. Oh, I look so stupid. Oh. Brow pencil. Right. Right. I look so bad right now, right? Eyebrow gel. Do I have eyebrow gel? God. Next. Highlighter on the cheeks. Look at that shine. I look holographic. Holographic? I don't know what it's called anyway. Mascara. And lucky for her, she didn't need the colour, so... It looks so bad. Well, that was Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial. I don't feel like I look any different. I feel like I look the exact same, just with winged eyeliner. And my eyebrows look a bit weird. And I look like I have smeared poop all over my lips. And my hair is an absolute mess. God damn. I'm looking sexy. No, I'm joking. I ain't looking nothing. That. You know what? Right. Love you. I will see you in the next video. Pray to Lord that the next video I won't look like this. Right. No, I'm going. Right. Love you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.